everyone, I'm back again with a new video, and in this video I'm going to share my experience of visiting the Gorai beach, which was a winter picnic for all of us. In fact, Gorai beach is like a perfect destination for a one-day picnic. If you're planning a weekend outing or even a one-night stay, I think this is just an amazing place. There are plenty of resorts at the beach side available at affordable prices, and of course the food is also very good. I visited this beach during the winter season, and this was a visit with my friends. The entire day we spent at the beach resort. We really enjoyed a good, sumptuous meal, and at the same time, we also enjoyed the sunset on the beach while returning. So basically, it was an awesome experience. So in this video, I'm going to give you all the details that you need to know if you are planning a visit to the Gorai beach, how long it is going to take, how you can reach the beach, and the places that you can put up for the entire day if you're planning a picnic. So here we go. Gorai beach can be reached either from Bhayandar or even from Borivali. We took the Bhayandar route, and for us, we just reached the place in around 40 minutes. On our way, even saw plenty of dry fish stalls. So if anybody is keen on that, you can get it from here. And here we come, Gorai, and you can see this day. The picnic was arranged with a bunch of Bengali friends that I have here in Mumbai, so of course you can understand that food is a top priority. The breakfast consisted of banana bread, Bengali sweet or shandesh, and boiled egg. You can have a look at the property, and I have shared the picture, and I've also taken glimpses of the inside of the place. The place is very spacious. I think that is one of the plus points of this particular resort. And you can even get your vehicles parked over here. So these are the vehicles that were parked for the entire day. Children played a lot of games, and the beach is bang opposite the resort. This is, I think, one of the highlights of this particular property. I will also give you a quick glimpse of the property. This is the hall that you see as you enter the resort. You also have a bed and a sofa and a closet for yourself. So if you can keep your things here and just relax at the beach. There are sleeping arrangements also available. If you have more people joining in, even that would not be a problem. This is the second bedroom. Even you can plan your visit during the summer season because you get all the facilities like air conditioners and other things are also available. The best part of this resort is it is very, very affordable. I will be sharing the prices very soon. This was our mid-morning snacks. The mid-morning snacks consisted of chicken pakora and fish fry with, of course, a glass of juice to gulp down. And you can see we all had a great time in serving the food, enjoying the delicious starters. And in the meantime, the kitchen was also getting ready for an elaborate lunch. That was, of course, our top priority.
দাদা এটা কি হচ্ছে?
এটা খাসির মাংস।
বাহ, দেখতে তো খুব ভালো লাগছে।
খাসির মাংস, এটা আলু ভাজা।
হ্যাঁ, ওদিকে আলু ভাজা হচ্ছে।
আর ওইটা তুলুন পাবদা মাছ।
আচ্ছা, আরে বাহ, এই হচ্ছে পাবদা মাছ।
পাবদা মাছ ভাজা, আলু ভাজা, আলু ভাজা।
The dal was also accompanied by aloo bhaja and aromatic Bandharaj lemon. There was a huge menu of Bengali delicacies prepared for the lunch. The dal was simple yet very comforting. There were other things like, of course, rice, fish curry, mutton, chutney, and at the end, of course, we also enjoyed Bengali mishti doi. When it was evening, we saw the setting sun, and it just looked like the sun was going inside the sea. We took a lot of pictures of this scene, and I think this day picnic was truly splendid, where we relaxed, we got rejuvenated, because Mumbai life is very, very busy, and after slogging for the entire week, when you get a chance to relax and rejuvenate with your friends, I think nothing can compare to that. If you want to visit this place, I have shared the name and the contact details of the person in the description box. Hope that helps. And apart from Gorai, you can also visit the Pagoda, the Water Kingdom, and SL World. These are tourist attractions which are very nearby. So that's all in this vlog. See you again in my next vlog. Keep sharing, keep loving, guys.